Hi everyone, I'm Leo from OLea Braids. Today I will show you how to braid your hair. It's easy, you just need a little practice. First, brush or comb out your hair. Detangling is really important. Then, pick a section of hair at the top of your crown. Separate it into 3 sections. Try to make it as equal as you can. Now, place the left section over the middle, then the right section over the middle. This will be your first row. It's called the English braid. Now, the actual French braid is next. It's basically the same, but you add some hair. So, add hair to the left section and cross them over the middle, and add hair to the right section and cross them over the middle. Repeat this process until you reach your neck. From now on, it's easier. You just do exactly the same when you did your first row. English braid it to the end, then tie it with an elastic. Voila! The braid is ready. It took just a few minutes and it looks so nice. And it's also practical because your hair is out of your face now. Try this hairstyle and comment down below if you did. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share, subscribe and hit the bell for more content like this. Bye for now!